To enable screen flash notification for all apps on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Under notification section, tap flash notification and then tap the gray on off switch next to screen flash notification until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select all apps. By doing this, your phone will flash the screen when you receive notification from all apps, except those apps that you have blocked its notification. As the example, when you have a new message like this, your phone will flash the screen to notify you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.